Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how the HCMToGo app works and whether it's an effective solution for managing human capital management tasks on the go, including payroll, time tracking, and employee data management. HCMToGo is a mobile extension of your HCMM human capital management system, allowing employees and managers to access HR information from anywhere. Employees can view pay stubs, request time off, track hours worked, and update personal details right from the app. It also provides features like direct messaging with HR or management, and real-time notifications for time-off approvals or payroll updates, keeping users connected with their workplace. For managers, HCMToGo offers tools to approve time-off requests, monitor employee attendance, and track overtime. The app integrates with payroll systems, making it easier to manage compensation and ensure accurate paychecks. Additionally, HR teams can use the app to maintain employee records, monitor compliance, and communicate with the workforce more effectively. One of the app's strengths is its simplicity and user-friendly interface, which allows for easy navigation and quick access to key HR information. However, some users have mentioned that certain features, like detailed reporting or advanced analytics, are either missing or not as robust as they would like. Additionally, while the app is reliable, occasional syncing issues or delays have been noted, which can be frustrating when trying to access up-to-date data. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.